Welcome back to Travel with Ricky YouTube channel. Indian Ocean, one of the most beautiful island called Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a many tourist attraction in whole island everywhere. In middle of the country you will see such a nice tea plantation, and I am here at the Lipton Seat, and basically today we are going to see beautiful waterfall and Ceylon Tea Factories and Haputale to Bandarola, beautiful places.
Welcome back to Travel with Ricky. අද දවසේ අපි දකින්නේ මේ ලංකාවේ තේ ගස කොච්චර දුරට වැදගත්ද. අපි තේ රස පහස විඳින්නටත් අපේ ගමනේදී අපතේ ඉන්න මණ්ඩාවලට යනකොට අපි සැලසුම් කරගෙන තියෙනවා. අපි යමු තේ ගහක් බලන්න.
Hi friends, world famous Ceylon tea brand called Lipton Tea. Those are coming from these beautiful tea plantations. I will show you how to pluck this tea. Come closer, look at that. This tender tree leaf, they say, must be the standard way to pluck the tea. Actually, this is not an easy job. So difficult, hard work. Those are workers every day do it by hand.
If you are planning to visit Sri Lanka, don't forget to taste Ceylon tea, and don't forget to come to this area. This is Bandarawala, Haputale to Badulla. This area is called Haputale, very famous for vegetable, fruits and tea. So if you want to come to Sri Lanka, don't forget to visit Haputale and Bandarawala area.